Okay, who is the leader? Would you like to be a leader in pray before studying to your friends? Just sit down. Just sit down and say, we are going to pray.
We are going to pray
Before study. Let's begin. Pray is finished. Okay. Well, thank you Anissa Mutia. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, if I say how are you today, you will answer.
Alhamdulillah, my head, my heart, and my body are fresh, fresh, fresh.
Okay, Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. It's good to see you again in our English class for today. We are going to talk about English letter. If we talk about English letter, may I know what is letter? Who knows what is letter? Do you know what is letter? Letter is you write something and you give to someone, to others. Yeah. What is about? Irgi, what is about? If we talk about letter, yes. Talk about your condition. What else, Anissa? Okay, then, okay. For just now, we are going to start lesson about letter, yeah? Anyway, from today, who has, before we start the lesson first, let me asking you, who had breakfast for this morning? Breakfast? Okay. Please, if you breakfast bread, what kind of breakfast do you have? Bread. Okay. If you breakfast bread, you stand up in my on my right side. If you and your breakfast is rice, who breakfast rice, fried rice? No. So what is your breakfast? Who didn't breakfast? Yeah. Didn't breakfast on my left side. Okay. Ready?
Yes.
In 3, 2, 1, move! Come on, move for breakfast. And what kind of fruit do you like?
Mango, banana, or apple.
Wow, it's very healthy. All fruits. Give applause. Thank you. Next. Akila, you may sit down. Sorry. Sabila Putri. Yeah. What about you?
Because that's my morning routine for breakfast.
What kind of breakfast do you have?
For today, I ate bread.
Bread and jam.
What?
Bread, jam, bread. You know, bread, jam, bread. Sandwich. Alright then. Who likes bread, jam, bread? Sandwich. Oh, nothing. Oh. Okay. Give applause for us. Yay. Good job. Welcome. Next.
In the morning, I ate milk and bread.
So healthy. No fruits?
No,
So who prepares your breakfast?
my grandmother.
Wow! You owe to your grandmother. Give applause. Thank you, Lisa.
Yes.
Okay. So, my dear students, for who didn't breakfast for this morning and who had breakfast, it's for me. I suggest you to breakfast first. Why? Because you are going to concentrate with your lesson. How come you will focus if your stomach is not filled in? Oh, miss, I don't usual. It's okay. As well, you can eat a piece of cake, a piece of biscuit, and a fruit like daily. That's good. Yeah, but don't ever your stomach's getting empty. You know what kind of disease if our stomach's getting empty? What is in English for that? Or in medical statement, gastritis, yeah, it's a kind of disease will endure. Yeah. Okay then. Talking about formal letter. Who knows what is formal letter? Surat resmi. In Indonesia we say surat resmi. Can you explain in English? Yes, Nima.
Some letter we want to send to like business or
Okay, very good. A business letter, yeah? Sent to someone, a company, or institution. That was called formal letter. Is it different with informal letter?
yes.
Okay, why do you say it's different?
Formal letter use the language is different.
The using of the language.
Yes.
What about informal letter?
Lebih sakit.
Okay, this is formal ways, yeah. Dear Mr. President, dear Mr. Fasli, for example, dear Mr. Principal, yeah. But informal, what do you say? Informal. Hi, Hikmah. Hi, Fasli. Quite different, okay? Good. Yes. And then don't forget the part of the letter. What is that? The first. You should have heading. Very good. What else after heading? Body. Such as like human. Come here, Nora. What's wrong with your friend? You forgot? Okay. For example, this is letter. Yeah, we talk about the structure. You know the structure? For humans say this is head, body, head, body, knees and toes,
Shoulder.
So this is head, body and
Closing.
if we talk about human, skeleton. Skeleton and legs. No. So how if your friend is a letter? There will be head, body and closing. Okay? Can you imagine that?
Yes.
Okay, good job. Thank you. What is heading? What consists of heading? What is in heading? Heading consists of
The
what?
number of letter,
Okay.
X letter,
Alright.
that month, year of letter, address.
Okay. Very good. That's heading. We talk about body. What is in your body? No, not your body. Your formal body. Formal letter body. Greetings.
And of letter,
And content. The purpose of your letter in the body. Why do you write the letter? Why? What for? Just put in your body of your letter. Dear Mr. President, based on Fajar or Kompas newspaper, I read that you are going to go to Al Azhar. By this letter, I would like to invite me as your one of your students. Yeah, for example, like that. So the aim, the purpose of your letter, put in your body of the letter. Yeah? And the closing, what is the closing of that? Complement. Okay. Stamps or sign. What? Okay. Just say thank you. Many thanks, stop or with respectful, with honors, like that. Because we talk about formal, they say with honors, dengan hormat, atau respectful, penuh hormat, ya. Okay? Any question for formal letter? Now I would like to ask you, please write down your one student write one formal letter in your by using your laptop. Just send into my email. Okay? Talk about maybe you are OSIS, some of you in OSIS, talk about what is OSIS occasion. For the next, apa cara-cara OSIS, kalian mengundang guru-guru. Silakan gunakan itu, become your body of your letter, tujuan suratnya. Apalagi? Surat izin masuk tidak? Surat izin?
Masuk.
Masuk. Surat peminjaman masuk tidak?
Masuk.
Masuk. Kalian mengadakan asumsi, saya mau pinjam ini. Silakan buat. Surat ke orang tua murid masuk tidak? Formal letter. Masuk. Silakan kalian latihan menulis surat, because next week we are going to exam about how to write formal letter. Ya, oke? Any question? Ada pertanyaan? Is it clear? Okay, 5 minutes. I will check it your answer. So please try to write down. Buat sendiri kata-katanya, buat ininya. Don't forget your address. Ya, silakan buat mulai begin now. Yeah. Yes, you have. Okay, that's right. Very good. If you don't have any laptop, just use your book.
Miss, bebas dia tapi formal.
Yes. Okay. Please use your in a piece of paper. Please use your book or your in a piece of paper. Make the letter. If you have not handphone, yeah, not handphone. But if you have laptop, it's okay.
Start this.
Yeah.
Ini bebas.
Formal letter.
Bebas.
Yes. Bahasa. Don't forget the language must be formal. The language. Headings, body, closing. If you can write the form. Okay, Aisha, Vice President of company. So you can do that and finish that. Okay, one of your friends. Okay, I will invite Aisha Mohemina. She just has finished this one, her letter, and business letter format. That's good. There is company, and then I just want to hear you read the body of your letter. Would you mind come here? Okay. Stop writing, please, and please attention to your friend.
Dear Mr. Joniso, I am writing you concerning a recent purchase of widgets.
Stop. Purchase of widgets. What is that? What kind of letter is this? Purchase. Business. Pembelian. Next.
Approximately 2 weeks ago, on October 30, I ordered a total 50 widgets for company in. Via the widgets client web page, I received an email notification 2 days later, confirming the receipt of payment and the shipment of the widgets. According to your website, shipment should reach the destination waiting until 5 business days of being sent, but I have yet to receive the widgets. Do you have any information on what may have happened to delay the shipment or where the shipment is currently? I have worked with widgets galore in the past and have the greatest confidence in your product and customer service. We need the shipment of widgets soon, however, and I hope you might be able to provide me with an idea of when I can expect them. Thank you in advance for any help you might be able to offer.
Okay, stop. Where is the compliment? Which one is compliment?
Saya thank you, ucapan many thanks.
Yeah. Thank you in advance. Thank you in advance. Terima kasih. For any help you may be able to offer. Okay, good job. Thank you, Aisha. Give applause for Aisha. Thank you. So this is the example one of the business letter. Business letter, don't forget, it consists of informal letter. Yeah. Not only that, from the school to other school, formal letter. Yeah. So try to arrange your sentence in body consists of your purpose. Why do you write this letter? Why? Because Aisha say this letter. Why? Why do you want to write this letter? Yes. To asking about the business. To asking about this is about the purchase, and the purchase is delayed, the shipment. And Aisha asked why delay, the shipment is delayed. So this letter, formal letter, yeah, it's proposed to one company in purchase activities, yeah, include in formal letter. Okay, we have formal letter. Okay, thank you, Rin. So it's okay in the paper or in your email. Moreover, our digital now. So all the company usually receive a letter from the email. It's okay, yeah. Just combine. If you can make it in your email, that's good. If you can make it by using paper, that's good. A letter from Suci. It's talking about formal letter from Inaya is talking about students' research competition, and principal write down to me, ask Miss Isra to open the competition. Yeah. So what else? Finish. Menurut Suci. 5, 3. Oh. Okay, no more? Finish? Okay, thank you, Christine.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Sabila. Okay, I think no more? Okay, enough?
Send to your email.
Okay, you will send to my email. Okay, good job everybody. Good job my students, because all of you have been submitted, and that's good. For me, your formal letter is the greatest. Yeah, I mean it's the best from you. So try to make it your own letter, and try to make it different between formal and informal. Example, for the informal letter, you can write your own birthday party, yeah. But informal is talk about education, business, yeah. Okay, you can catch my point.
Yes.
All right. Before we close the lesson, I will ask who can give me one summary, one conclusion from this activity from this morning. Aileen, can you help me? What can we study this morning? What we had studied? Sorry, what we had studied?
How to make formal letter.
How to make formal letter?
The general structure of formal letter.
Okay, general structure of formal letter. What else? How?
Definition of formal letter.
Definition of formal letter. What else?
Social function.
Social function of formal letter. Alright? Okay, that's the end of our lesson. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your letter, for your participation, and we are going to meet for the next meeting with exam about formal letter. Okay? Thank you. We close by saying Alhamdulillah together.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Bila taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.